This is a trailing edge Wi-Fi Denmark standard box dimmer, 250 watt load for LED, incandescent, and halogen. Now we're gonna introduce how to wire and connect to your Wi-Fi devices. Let's take a look at the product itself. We take off the cover. There is an indicator shows red color in discovering devices. Pairing button for network pairing. A micro switch for minimum brightness setting. This Wi-Fi box dimmer must work with neutral wire. So we got 5 terminals here. L is to connect your live supply. N means to connect neutral wire. The third and fourth are both to the lamps. And the last one is for push button. Now we're gonna show the wiring. The first is to connect the live terminal to a live supply and to the neutral. Load terminal to lamps. And there is also a live terminal for some push buttons need 2 wires. And last one is to connect your push button so you can have a physical operation. Now we test the dimmer. First, press the push button switch once to turn on the lamp and keep rotating it to dim down. And dim up the lamp. Also, you can use the push button to dim down and dim up. Then turn off it. Our Wi-Fi dimmer could work with TUYA app, voice control with Alexa and Google Home. To connect with TUYA Wi-Fi, you need the local Wi-Fi. And open the TUYA app. Touch Add Device. Choose Lighting Wi-Fi. Then you need to select the Wi-Fi network and enter password. Touch Next. Now, firstly, long press the button to reset. And long press it 5 seconds again to a quick flash red light. Touch Confirm, the light is blinking rapidly, and Next. Your phone is adding device. After a few seconds, the light will be on your screen. Now you can dim your lamps remotely. Touch the screen to turn on the lamp and slide it to turn off the lamp and turn down again, turn up and touch the screen to turn off it.